Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and we have some new numbers from Catalyst. That is a company that looks at the different market share numbers for sales of computers and electronic devices. And what we learn is that the year 2020, last quarter of the year 2020, saw an increase in PC sales of 11%, and that the year 2020 is the year where the sales of computers, and here we're talking about desktop, laptops, and really full PCs that do a job, not tablets of any other kind. And 2020 is the best year since 2014 for computer sales, and that according to their stats, we ended the year 2020 selling 297 million computers. All that due to the pandemic, because people started working from home and understood that their PC, their computers, or whatever they had as a device was not sufficient to do the job they needed to do. So this is a very interesting thing. PC sales been dropping for years, and even though it kind of slowed down, and last year we had a little bit of, I would say a plateau. It's really interesting to see how it's coming back in force. And actually, PC makers had a hard time dealing with the sales of computers and, delivering enough PCs to the market. And what is interesting, the top PC makers, Lenovo is number one, followed closely by HP, and a computer company that was kind of losing ground a lot for the past few years, and that's kind of coming back in force this year, Dell. Dell, that seemed to be one of those companies disappearing slowly off the radar, third PC maker. In other statistics that we have, and that's very interesting also, the Chromebooks. Chromebooks have sold this year more than Mac computers. Chromebooks sold 12 million devices this year, and that's according to Intel numbers. So Chromebooks sold more than Mac computers sold. This is a very interesting number, because that means that Chromebooks are actually a little dent in the market there. There's a market share for Chromebooks. They are at 111% increase year-over-year sales. Are Chromebooks slowly going to be the real big competition to Windows PCs? That's going to be interesting to look at. And what's even more amazing is that they actually are selling at double what Apple can sell in Mac computers. So that's also a very surprising and interesting number to look at. But it's pretty interesting to see that the PC market this year last year actually grew a lot. What will happen in 2021? That's another story. And we'll be looking closely at these PC numbers for 2021, because I think this is going to be interesting. Is it a turning point for the PC market? Is it that suddenly, after so many years of maybe we don't need a PC, people are kind of now coming back and saying, well, maybe we do need a PC. Personal computers are, we have a lot of little devices on our hands, but maybe the personal computer is a little comeback here. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.